Howdy. I'm going to keep this short, simple, and sweet. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of my skates, the Impala. They're the minty green ones with the flower power on them. They're just so cute. A little quick backstory is that I already actually had a pair of these, and I rode them to the ground, and I only even had them for probably like 3 months. I did a lot of skating in them around town, and I was even picked up by the cops going 30 miles an hour on them. And this lady tried to tell me that I hit her I hit her with the car that she hit me with. And I was holding a stick, thankfully, that I just like tapped the front. And she's like, oh, I'm going to get my insurance on you. And the cops were like, hey, you're just being silly. So they told me they clocked me at 30 miles per hour. So I at least got my good use out of them. I love the box. I love the skates. Based off of me riding them and using them before, which was just recently. They were like $130, and then they went up to $150. I can't open this. They went up to $150, and luckily now these ones are only $80, so they were on sale. So I've definitely got them at a good time. Wow, this is a little more difficult than I expected. But yeah, these are just definitely amazing skates and an amazing product. The box is even cute. I'm not going to pretend to go, ooh, ah, like everyone else does, because I already seen the box, and I already did an unboxing video for it, but I never uploaded it. So here's a real one. Yep. Alrighty, cool. Yeah, these things are just pretty badass. It's the light speed skate. It comes with a skate tool and a brake. I didn't use the brake before, let's see. Oh, here we go. New Testament. Yeah, let's see. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to skate so bad. And I'm a loser that I went through some weird mental break that I'm not going to get into. But I ended up leaving my skates behind at a shop. I took them to the movie theater. I was trying to sneak into the movies like a psycho. Oh, yay! I got my skates back. Yeah, my first time in the other unboxing video I did that I never shared, I remember thinking like, okay, there was a few scuffs on them that I thought were just weird, but these are just divine. And I'm a size 8, 8.5, so I got a size 9, which worked out perfectly last time. But yeah, the wheels are just so smooth. You could go really fast in them. They're already broken in. You don't need to worry about that. Look at that. Eee. So excited. I love flowers, as you could tell, and polka dots. Let's see. Yeah, here they are. I love them. I love the feeling of the, oh my God, it's better than, I don't wear makeup, but besides lipstick, but it's better than putting a brush on your face just for faking it. I just love the feelings. All right, yeah, I'm gonna save the box, but it comes with this little Impala skate guide. And let's see, yeah, this is a manual and it has a warranty, so let's check that out. Okay. Things to consider before putting on your inline skates. Okay, we got that safety first. But let's see. Yeah, so it comes with an extended warranty and then a guarantee. So let's see. Let's see what the brake is. Yeah, and here's the brake and a little skate tool that you'll need with the little Allen key. Yeah, I can't believe I got rid of my skates. I was just going through the thick of it and ended up leaving them behind, and I took the boots out of them. So I took the inside boots out to go to the movies in because I didn't have shoes because I skated there. And then I ended up leaving like the shell. I know, but I'm just doing a quick one. They're really cute. I love them. They're really safe. They get the job done. And yeah, I'm about to go skating, so I figured why not just unbox them real quick and show you what they look like and what it comes with. There's like, what is it, 8mm wheels, something like that. I forget. But yeah, that's about it. I figured I'd just keep it short and simple. Yep. So I will see you guys later.